Hello and welcome to another update video about INJ, Injective protocol. So far did not invalidate our wave count here, so we continue to focus here at the moment on higher. Nevertheless, it's tricky, especially given that Bitcoin had a very strong reversal to the downside today, and this will probably impact INJ as well. Nevertheless, for now, as long as we're holding, Monday's low. As long as we're holding Monday's low, the focus can be on higher. We did turn around so far in our support area. It was briefly broken, but not a sustained break. So support wasn't really broken on a sustained basis. So for now, that fifth wave over third wave is still possible and still realistic. We are counting this as a possibly evolving impulse off the low, which was made here in December. And based on that, we can now also calculate a possible target for that fifth wave here. There are different ways of calculating it. So the first one is to measure here the length of the wave 1 in yellow, go to the low of the wave 2, and then aim for the 1.618 extension. You can see this is the 792 level that was broken anyway already. However, we can then look at the 2.618 extension, and that would take us to around 1129. Certainly a level to watch. Well, is there another way of calculating the target for this fifth wave? Yes, we can take the length of waves 1 through 3. We go to the low of the wave 4, and then we're looking at the 61.8 extension, and it gives us $11.10. Both levels very close together. Good Fibonacci confluence there for a possible target, sort of in the $11 range. Yeah, so at least you have a bit of a guideline. Doesn't mean we have to get there. It also doesn't mean it has to turn around there. It just means it's a level to watch. Yeah, it's a level to watch. It's very dynamic. Okay, so at the moment, I would assume that wave 4 low is in, if not something more bearish is going on. That move down didn't look entirely corrective. So this could count as an impulse, unfortunately. I did count it as an ABC because we did hold support in the end, and we have a possible 5-wave move to the upside of the Monday low. But if we break the Monday low, then we have to look for the next support, which we identified in the previous video as 563. Breaking below that would be a warning for a possible bullish scenario. And we have one more level to watch, which is down here, $3.09. If we break below that level, it would be basically you could say the second warning. And below that level, I think new bear market lows will get very likely. But for now, we are watching the current structure. Against Monday's low, the focus can be on higher. You can clearly see that we have a possible 5-wave move up off the low. No guarantee that this will hold, but it's certainly a 5-wave move. So what we could be looking for is in this fifth wave, again, of course, another 5-wave move. Yeah, a wave 5 is typically a 5-wave move. So we would have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5. Something like that should play out here. And based on that, we can now calculate micro support for this wave 2, which means, yes, of course, I mean, ideally it doesn't break below the Monday low, but then it's lost the entire move. So better to calculate a common support area for a wave 2, which is typically between the 50% and the 78.6 retracement, to which we already reacted to. But ideally, well, this goes down to $7.01. So this would be a warning. A break below $7 basically would then indicate that overall this larger 1-2 setup is most likely going to fail. Because yes, the yellow wave 2 here is not going to be invalidated until it breaks below the Monday low. A break below the $7 level would already make the positive outcome, the bullish outcome here, very unlikely. So it's a bit like an early warning. And that's sort of what I follow at the moment. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.